Hi viewers, welcome landscape enthusiasts. Today, we set off to turn your home environment into a paradise of beauty and elegance. Have you ever tried to create that perfect landscape around a house? Alternatively, what aspects can really enhance auras? So, you've come to the right place. Here, we will help you unravel the mysteries behind developing a landscape that complements your home and furthermore expresses who you are. We've got everything from basic design principles around your home to the 7 important steps for a stunning landscape. But here's the kicker, we are not providing ordinary techniques. We're digging into the incredible, remarkable, even extravagantly eccentric. Prepare now to uncover various neighborhood landscaping concepts suited for every design imaginable. If you're going for a comfy cottage vibe, streamlined modern style, or even bright pops of colors, our inspiration has got it all. Therefore, if you are planning on transforming your backyard into a masterpiece, then wait and watch as this article unveils secrets of explore various around house landscaping ideas for all styles. Section 1, Setting the Stage, Designing Your Unique Around House Landscaping. Now think of your house as an empty canvas, soaked with the potential to become a masterpiece. The area around your home is not just a passageway, but the perfect location to weave any story of beauty and style. Therefore, how do you plan the best landscape around your sanctuary? How do I design landscaping around my house? Let's start at the beginning. Designing landscaping around your house involves understanding the natural elements and architecture that define your space. Consider the layout, the entry points, and the existing features that you want to highlight or conceal. It's like choreographing a dance where every plant, every stone plays a role in the grand performance. What should I put around my house? Now, picture this a harmonious blend of greenery, flowers, and perhaps some strategically placed decorative elements. The choice of plants and features around your house is like selecting characters for your story. Do you want a tale of vibrant colors, a serene monochrome, or a balance of both? We'll guide you on choosing the perfect characters that resonate with your vision. What is the best landscaping in front of the house? The front of the house, the prologue to your home story. The best landscaping in this area sets the tone for what lies beyond. It's the first impression, the cover of your book. We'll explore front yard landscaping that not only enhances curb appeal, but also welcomes you and your guests into a world of visual delight. How do you landscape around a house foundation? And then there's the foundation, the backbone of your narrative. How do you landscape around it without overshadowing its importance? Discover the art of complementing and framing the foundation with greenery and design elements that enhance rather than distract. As we dive into this first section, envision your home as a story waiting to be told through the artistry of landscaping. Get ready to turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary landscapes that resonate with your unique style. Stay tuned for the next step in our journey, crafting beauty, the 7 steps to your perfect around house landscape. Section 2, Crafting Beauty, the 7 steps to your perfect around house landscape. Once you've set the stage, it's time to craft the masterpiece. Imagine this journey as a thrilling adventure where each step unfolds a new layer of beauty and creativity. Here are the 7 steps to guide you on your quest for the perfect around house landscape. Step 1. Dreaming up your vision. Close your eyes and envision your dream landscape. What colors, shapes, and themes come to mind? Step into the realm of imagination, where your outdoor space becomes a reflection of your desires. This step is all about letting your creativity flow freely, setting the tone for the story your landscape will tell. Step 2, Mapping out the terrain. Just as a cartographer maps uncharted territories, you'll map out your outdoor space. Identify the sunny and shaded areas, note the natural contours, and understand the flow of water. This step is the exploration phase, discovering the unique features of your landscape that will influence your design choices. Step 3, choosing the cast, selecting your plants. Your landscape is like a vibrant theater, and the plants are the actors. Each plant plays a role in the overall composition. Selecting the right cast involves considering factors such as climate, soil type, and maintenance. It's about creating a harmonious ensemble that captivates throughout the seasons. Step 4. Crafting the plot, designing hardscape elements. Every great story has a solid plot, and in landscaping, that's your hardscape. Pathways, patios, and other non-living elements provide structure and functionality. This step involves crafting the plot of your outdoor space, ensuring that it not only looks stunning, but also serves a purpose in your day-to-day life. Step 5. Painting the scene, adding colors and textures. Time to infuse life into your landscape by painting it with colors and textures. Flowers, foliage, and various materials contribute to the palette of your outdoor masterpiece. This step is all about layering, creating depth, and adding visual interest to your surroundings. Step 6. Illuminating the drama, outdoor lighting. Just as a well-lit stage enhances a theatrical performance, outdoor lighting brings your landscape to life after the sun sets. This step involves strategically placing lights to highlight key features, creating a captivating ambiance that transforms your outdoor space into a magical setting. Step 7. Nurturing your creation, maintenance, and care. The grand finale involves ensuring that your landscape remains a flourishing work of art. Like any masterpiece, it requires care and attention. This step covers the basics of ongoing maintenance, nurturing your creation so that it continues to enchant and delight for years to come. As you embark on this adventure of crafting beauty, let each step guide you towards creating a landscape that not only enhances your home, but becomes a cherished chapter in your life story. Stay tuned for our next exploration, unveiling style, exploring and personalizing your around-house landscaping ideas. Section 3. Unveiling style, exploring and personalizing your around-house landscaping ideas. Now that you've set the stage and crafted the masterpiece, it's time to add the final touches, the personalization that makes your landscape truly yours. Think of this section as the epilogue, where we explore unique around-house landscaping ideas for every style imaginable. Explore unique around-house landscaping ideas for every style. Picture your home as a canvas and your landscape as the frame that enhances its beauty. Whether you lean towards a classic elegance, a modern chic vibe, or a bohemian burst of colors, we've got inspiration tailored just for you. 1. Cottage charm, a cozy retreat. Imagine a landscape that whispers of romance and nostalgia. Cottage-style landscaping brings a touch of old-world charm to your surroundings. Picture winding pathways adorned with vibrant flowers, quaint picket fences, and a garden bench inviting you to linger. We'll guide you on how to infuse your outdoor space with the warmth and coziness of a countryside retreat. 2. Modern marvel, sleek and minimalist. For those who appreciate clean lines and contemporary aesthetics, modern landscaping is the key. This style embraces simplicity, using geometric shapes, neutral colors, and sleek materials to create a sophisticated outdoor haven. Learn how to achieve a landscape that complements the architectural modernity of your home. 3. Bohemian bliss, a burst of colors and creativity. If you're a free spirit who loves a riot of colors and unconventional designs, the bohemian style is your playground. Picture vibrant tapestries, eclectic plant arrangements, and a mix of textures creating a free-spirited atmosphere. We'll delve into how you can infuse your landscape with the carefree and artistic vibes of the bohemian lifestyle. 4. Tropical oasis, bringing vacation home. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise right in your backyard. Palm trees, exotic plants, and vibrant blooms can turn your landscape into a year-round vacation spot. Discover the secrets of creating a tropical oasis that not only adds visual appeal, but also makes every day feel like a holiday. Conclusion: as we conclude our journey through unique around-house landscaping ideas. Envision your home embracing a style that resonates with your personality. Your landscape is more than just plants and pathways. It's an expression of who you are. Stay tuned for our final chapter, bringing it all together tips for a harmonious and sustainable landscape.